What is e-commerce? E-commerce, also called electronic commerce or e-business, is a commercial strategy. It's a way of selling online that goes far beyond just having a website. Unlike offline sales, which takes place through a point of sale, with pre-established service hours and limited coverage area, e-commerce sales offer countless possibilities for closing a deal, as they are not restricted to geographic location, nor during business hours. It is important to remember that e-commerce integrates point of sale and customer service in the same place, so it is essential to work in parallel with commercial, sales, logistics and even inventory control strategies. How did e-commerce emerge? Now that the concept of what e-commerce is clearer, it is worth knowing a little more about the history of this strategy. The origins date back to 1979, when a technology entrepreneur presented Videotex, a type of modified TV, which allowed online purchases. This sales model was called teleshopping. In the early 1990s, the world discovered the first electronic shopping website. Amazon and eBay, for example, were founded in 1994 and 1995, respectively, forever changing the history of online business. In Brazil, e-commerce began in 1995, when Brazilian Jack London brought the idea from the United States. He founded the Booknet store, which later became Submarino, one of the main shopping sites in the country. Today, there are different types of e-commerce: retailer, wholesaler, B2B, business to business, when one company sells to another, such as materials and machinery; B2C, business to consumer, when the company sells directly to the end consumer, physical and digital products, among others. Difference between e-commerce and virtual store. Despite being directly related, e-commerce is not synonymous with a virtual store. And now you will learn once and for all the difference between these two things. The virtual store is a sales channel within the e-commerce strategy. Typically, it is an extension of a brand that already operates offline and works as a showcase for the public to have contact with its products and services. E-commerce, on the other hand, is the sales strategy within the digital universe, which may or may not occur in the online store. Thank you, guys.